Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to do at-home manicure, save some money, do this cute nail design. Before that, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more similar videos. I'm starting off with nail polish remover to remove any old nail polish. Then I soak my fingers in lukewarm water for about 10-15 minutes to soften the cuticles and make them easier to remove afterwards. I then like to moisturize my hands and especially my cuticles just to condition them and make the process of working with them much easier. First, use a cuticle pusher to push the cuticles back and clean the edges, and you might not need to do anything afterwards, but in my case I will need to cut my cuticles. Don't overdo this part if you're not experienced, because you can hurt yourself. Just try to remove any skin that looks translucent. It means it's dead skin. And now it's time to file and get your desired shape. And just make sure you wash your hands after this step, just to remove any lotion that will make the nail polish hard to stick afterwards. I'll just wipe them a little bit more with nail polish remover, just to make sure I don't have any moisturizer over the nails. Off your nails to remove any ridges or unevenness if you have some. I had polygel extensions and ripped them off recently, so my nails are not smooth. Then I am going to use a primer that is strengthening and moisturizing, and it is preventing the nails from chipping and splitting. I definitely need that because of how thin my nails are right now. Make sure to check the description down below for links to the products I'm using. And now it's time for the nail polish. I felt like this one that I picked is a little bit on the thicker side, so I went ahead and used nail polish thinner just to get it to the perfect consistency. And it's a good idea to have one of those handy if you're doing your own nails. I picked this nude nail color by OPI, and I always like to go with 2 thin coats of nail polish just to make everything smooth and even. And now it's time for the fun part. I will do this nail decoration. I picked white for that. It's a good idea to use something to put the nail polish on. This way it will thicken a little bit and it will be easier to do the nail art, especially when you're using regular nail polishes. And for the nail art I'm using a very thin brush. This one is from Manicure, and I'm sketching out where I want the waves, but don't stress about it, just use a very light hand. I went back and forth and applied more, smoothed things out, and just fill in any areas that needed a little bit extra white. It is not perfect, but personally I like it this way just because it looks like it's hand drawn versus stenciled on, and it has identity. I'm using a thin brush dipped in nail polish remover just to clean up any mistakes and any nail polish that I accidentally got on the skin. And now it's time for top coat. This will elevate our manicure so much. It will make everything look professional, smooth, it will give it high shine, and it will prolong the wear of the nail polish, especially if you're doing nail art like this. It might look uneven at the beginning, but once you apply top coat and seal everything in, it will look smooth and even. And one more step that I feel is crucial to make everything look professional is to moisturize the cuticles. Use any oil or any cuticle oil. I'm using one that smells like pumpkin and it is so fall appropriate. I'm also moisturizing my hands and you're all set. This can save you so much money. You can buy a lot of different nail polishes and experiment. If you guys like this video, please give it thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I will see you next time. Bye!